When you reconcile your books, you might see an alert saying your beginning balance is off in QuickBooks Online. This means something changed in the month you already reconciled. Luckily, if you see this alert, you caught the issue and we can help you fix it. Here are the 4 reasons this could happen. The amount of a transaction changed, someone unreconciled a transaction in the register, someone added a transaction to a past reconciliation by accident, or someone deleted a transaction. Let's go over how to fix each of these. To start, select the Settings icon, then select Reconcile. Here is where you'll see an alert if you have a problem with your opening balance. Select the link to look at your discrepancy report. Under the column Change Type, you'll find some information that will let you know how to solve your problem. Now we'll go over the different types of changes you might see in this column. This discrepancy has the change type Amount Changed. This means someone has edited a reconciled transaction or moved it to another account. To fix this, select the transaction to expand the view. Adjust the amount as needed. If you want more details about the transaction, select Edit. Then select Save and Close. You will get an alert since you are changing a reconciled transaction, but we will have to change it back to its original amount. So select Yes and select Save. Your balances should be reconciled now. The second change type is Unreconciled in Register. This happens because someone unreconciled a transaction, usually by mistake. To reconcile it again, select the transaction, then select the box in the checkmark column until you see an R. The R means this transaction has been reconciled. Select Save, and your balances should match. The third change type is Reconciled in Register. This happens when someone added a transaction to a past reconciliation. To remove it, so you can add the transaction to your next reconciliation, select the transaction. Then, select the box in the checkmark column until it's blank or you see a C. This removes the transaction from the reconciliation. Once you are done, select Save, and your balances should match. Finally, the last change type is Deleted. This happens because someone deleted a reconciled transaction. Select View to see the history of this transaction. If this was deleted by accident, then recreate the transaction exactly as it appears on your discrepancy report. First, select New and select the type of transaction you need to create. In this case, we need to create an expense because that is the type of transaction that was deleted. Complete the form with the correct amount and select Save and Close. When you're done, go to the Settings icon. Then select Chart of Accounts. Find the transaction and select it to expand the view. Select the box in the checkmark column until you see an R. This reconciles the transaction. Select Save. If you still see an alert the next time you reconcile, open the discrepancy report. The deleted transaction may still be on the list, but the difference should be 0. It won't affect your reconciliation. Those are the reasons you might be receiving an opening balance alert. Now you know what to do if you see one.